Good morning, everyone. We are back with Weekend Smile, and of course, I'm out on the scene doing reporting. Actually, no, I'm just backstage in the guest room. Right now, we're going to be meeting with Unique, who is one of our producers, and Shari Bailey, who is from Makeup by Shars. Now, look here. Unique look pop down. She normally look, worked and stuff, but right now, she look like, oh, you look.
We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere with the look.
She started with your brows. She started with her brows.
I can't see myself.
No, she started.
Okay.
Okay.
How
She
them
started
look?
with her brows
No,
already?
not yet.
Oh, well, your brows don't look too bad. Okay. Good morning, Shari.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, before we get started, Unique, you have to tell me what is the occasion. You going to work with me this morning. You going to work.
Okay.
No
Okay.
problem. No problem. I will.
It's a dinner date. That's as much as I know.
When was the last time you
Apparently, this is. Oh gosh, don't tell my business, so.
Okay, so this is something special.
Yes.
And you can't go look so.
No, man, we have to complete the look.
So
And I have to actually find a date.
I think we found you somebody. Don't worry
Okay,
about that.
okay.
Shari, how did you get into makeup?
Well, it's my mom. She always used a whole bunch of makeup and I always trying them. And one of my friends, he used to sell makeup as well. And I love the colors. And I just messed around until I said, all right, I'm going to go to school for it. And then I just went ahead and enjoyed it after that and just got in. Everybody's like, Shari, you should do something. So
How important is makeup to self-care?
it's not that important. Well, I'm gonna say about 60%, because makeup really doesn't give you. It's not going to make you change into anything spectacular, but it enhances. It gives you a little bit of confidence. I mean, to step out in style, just looking more beautiful than you actually are.
Fantastic. So what kind of makeup should she have for a glamorous evening out on the town?
I think something simple, because some guys don't really like makeup, so you don't want to kill them on the first one, but you want something nice, subtle. Something nice, subtle, natural skin, clean. Yes.
Fantastic. All right, well, you can get started while I talk to Unique for a little bit. Okay, so I know that back in the day, I'm going to boss you. I'm going to boss out your business on TV. You used to be a model.
I used to, once upon a time, not.
So what changed and brought you away from modeling and away from that glamorous kind of life and into producing and production and then like this?
I mean, I started modeling while in school, so I was studying to work in media. And after a time, it just evolves, You do something, you get familiar with it, you get the experience, and then you move on to another level. So I guess I was in front of the camera for a while, and now I'm behind, I'm producing.
When was the last time that you remember yourself being done up for modeling?
Why are you dating me? What, 2019? Maybe like 2 years ago, or 3, or 4.
Or 10. All right, but we love the bros. Stop, go there already, girl. Stop moving your bros. I mind you mess up our work. We are going to check back in with you guys later. And I think we found you somebody, and Sabitru, I know, sent you an amazing outfit. So I look forward to seeing what you look like later. We are going to go back to studio now where Dwayne has some more self-care going on inside.